everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. I have a unboxing from Pandora, so let's go ahead, get into it. All right, let's see here. Okay, that's pretty easy. Okay, we're in. All right, so I have my invoice. I have my Disney 100 charm and the empty box. Is anybody else collecting the Disney 100 Pandora charms? This is number 3 and it's supposed to be Minnie Mouse. So let's go ahead and check it out. I did get a Disney 100 sleeve, so they all come with the iridescent sleeve. Okay. And then the Pandora box, same. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right. So we have Minnie Mouse. And they come with a little thing like that. And she has 14 karat gold shoes and a silver body. And the Pandora diamond is in the bow in the top. So let's take a look here. All right, hopefully this is the front. These are so little that they're really super hard to see. All right, see your 14 karat gold shoes. The diamond is in the top, and then her body is silver. All right, so that is number 3. So I wonder what number 4 is gonna be. Any thoughts? Maybe Mickey? That's what she looks like. And I'll put a picture on Instagram too, to make it look a little easier. So that is my Disney 100 unboxing from Pandora, and that is the newest one. That is number 3, which is Minnie Mouse. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. Make sure you subscribe to be entered into my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Pretty cool, real easy. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.